How to deactivate your Facebook account. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily hide your profile without fully deleting it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap on the menu icon at the top left. At this point, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Settings. Following this, scroll down and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Once done, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. From here, select Deactivate Account. At this stage, tap Continue, then follow the prompts explaining what happens once your account is deactivated. Keep in mind you'll need to select a reason for deactivating and confirm your password before it's finalized. Finally, tap Deactivate to complete the process, and your profile will now be hidden until you choose to log back in and reactivate it. And that's it. If this guide helped you deactivate your Facebook account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.